have to ask the Popsugar gods if you get a point if someone was just close.
We'll give her half a point. We'll give her half
a point. All right. So Dara's got 1.5 points.
Hey, it's Joshua Bassett.
Hi, I'm Joe Serafini.
Hi, I'm Frankie Rodriguez.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dara Reneé.
And I'm Matt Cornett, and we're here to play High School Musical, the series trivia with Popsugar.
Boom. Whew. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Yes. Matt.
Who is the first character we're introduced to in the first episode of High School Musical, the series? Matt Cornett.
Miss Jen. Troy Bolton. No, Chad.
I said it. Me. I get that point. Corbin Blue.
No, he said what character? You said Corbin Blue. I said Chad.
Technically, the answer I have written down here is Miss Jen.
And that's what I said at first.
Excellent.
Okay.
So Matt gets a point, unfortunately.
All right. Which Disney Channel star makes a cameo at the end of High School Musical 2?
Oh, I know that
Dara.
Miley Cyrus, Hannah Montana.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shoot! Dara's on the board, Matt.
I know.
By the way, that cameo was the thing. I think, Matt, we talked about this yesterday, but it was voted on by everybody. I think it was like between her, Selena Gomez, and Demi or something like that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Anyway, what does Ricky gift Beanie with after the High School Musical performance in season 1?
I believe it is a guitar pick necklace that says to Freaky Math Girl.
That is correct.
What song does Miss Jen sing during the table read in episode 2?
Josh. Together.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, baby. What is Nini's username on Instagram?
Right.
Wait, Matt technically had his hand up first, but then he put it down. So Dara.
Nini the ukulele, something ukulele Nini freak. Darn it. Nope. Go, Matt. You can steal.
It's not just her name, Nini Salazar Roberts. I feel like it has something to do with music, but I have no clue.
Okay, so the answer is Nini Uke Girl, and I feel like Dara was close enough.
Thank you.
I'm also gonna have to ask the Popsugar gods if you get a point if someone was just close.
We'll give her half a point. We'll give her half
a point. All right, Dara, so Dara's got 1.5 points.
Half point. We'd love to see it.
What was Miss Jen's line that was cut from High School Musical?
Is that the last apple?
This is a tough one if you haven't really paid attention to our show. What is Ginas' number during the auditions in episode 1?
1.
That is it. It is number 1.
What? How did I not know that? I thought it was.
You know what the biggest reason I remember that is because I remember Frankie going, "Yes, come on, 1."
Yes.
What is the name of the country club featured in the second HSM movie?
Oh, I might have
we finally stumped him.
I don't know, maybe like something like Canyon Country Club?
The answer is Lava Springs.
Oh, I would have never gotten that.
Which movie in the High School Musical trilogy doesn't open with a performance at East High?
I want to say it's the second one, the resort, right?
You're wrong, Matt. You're wrong because they start it with what time is it? Summertime in High School Musical 2.
Oh, right.
High School Musical 1. Duh.
Correct.
What does Sharpay's license plate say?
I'm gonna take a wild guess and say Fabulous.
That is correct.
What is Troy's jersey number in the movies? Matt raised his hand first.
I actually realize I think I'm wrong, but I want to say 14.
Dara, what was your guess?
14.
The true answer? Do you both want to know?
Yeah.
14.
Dara, you got to be ready because I want you to win this rather than Josh, all right?
What the heck?
All right.
Yeah.
What prop from the first High School Musical movie does Miss Jen acquire?
Vanessa Hudgens' phone, or Gabriella's phone.
It is Vanessa Hudgens.
Thank you.
When do Troy and Gabriella meet in the first movie?
On New Year's Eve.
Ding, ding, ding.
Dara, you beat Matt by half a point, which means that Matt's the loser. Oh,
I'm the big loser, always.
I mean, I think I killed it, wouldn't you say?
I think you did. I got a little too confident too early on, and I think I sabotaged myself.
But I had a blast. Thank you so much, Popsugar, and be sure to tune in to High School Musical, the series, Season 2.
Out right now on Disney+. Thanks, Popsugar. Peace.
Bye, Popsugar.